Alright, so tonight I'm going to try to make a video here on replacing the rear hatch glass lift here. A lot of these blazers, I got 3 of these blazers and not one of these buttons are working anymore. We're going to try to change one out here tonight. As you can see, it just don't work anymore. So I'm trying to make a best video I can here of showing you guys how to change that switch out. It's not too difficult to change out. You just got to take some parts apart here, and I've already taken some of the stuff loose here to make the video a little faster. But you got down in here, guys, we got 2 screws holding this here, the handle here. It's in the back. Take those 2 screws out, and then you got a screw here and another screw over there on the other side, Phillips screws. Just go ahead and take those out, guys, and I'll go ahead and take the rest of these out here, and we'll kind of go through it here, show you how to change this switch out. Like I said, it's not too difficult to do. And then once you get those, you'll have 4 of those Phillips screws, and then basically it's just clipped in there, guys. You just have to kind of yank on it a little bit around the whole thing, because it has some clips in there that hold it in there. And then once you get the clips out, guys, you just take the whole thing out of the way and set it off to the side like so. And then, now this is working on a 2000 Blazer, and with this style of a hatch, and it's going to be kind of the same on this one here. Has got the lift gate, and it's going to be it'll be kind of the same way. And I need to replace this one on this 2000 Blazer here, the 4-door one. And then also our 99 Blazer, I got to change it out too. But you can see you'll have this rod here. It's got a clip on it, and this rod will be clipped to that, will be fastened to that clip, and all you got to do is just kind of shove it down to unclip it from this clip here. You'll have to do that. And then also you got to clip a rod here that goes into this here, right here, and you can take a little screwdriver, guys, and just get in there and pry that out of that. You have to be careful you don't break these little plastic clips. If you do, you can get those at the auto parts store. I do believe they carry those, because they do break them sometimes. So just kind of be careful on that. If you break one, go to AutoZone or Advance Auto or somewhere like that, and I think they can get you these little plastic pieces here for your latch. And so you want to take that loose, and then you'll have several of these 7mm. Now I've taken most of them out. I left a couple in there just to show you. It's not too difficult. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got about 12 of those you got to take out, guys. They're 7mm. So I had to go ahead and set you back down here for a minute, and we'll take them, get those 2 out of the way. And then once you do that, guys, you can just take this and also lift it up and out of the way. See, I got a, actually there's a wire connected to this here, right here. So actually, guys, you just set that off to the side is what I do. That way you don't have to disconnect that wire. There's a wire leading up here to another switch. I just go ahead and set it off to the side just like that. Now, what you got is this here. Now I went ahead and already loosened this here. Loosened the this here mechanism that holds the glass door shut. And it's got three 10mm bolts here. And then also you got this clip here. You can just see if I can do that with one hand or not, but hang on a second. Let me go ahead and take these. Let me set you back down here for a minute, guys, and then I'll take that. I'll get those three 10mm screws out of there. Find my 10mm socket here first. Alright guys, hang on a second. I gotta grab a, I misplaced that 10mm socket. I'm gonna have to grab another 10mm socket here for a minute. Alright, so I grabbed another 10mm socket here. I must have misplaced my other one here somewhere. I'll find it later. I don't want to sit there and hunt that down while I'm making the video here. You kind of have to maybe move that around a little bit to get your socket down in there. To get this one 10mm bolt out. And it'll be, like I said, there'll be three of those. Let's see if I can get that on video there or not. What you might have to do there, guys, is kind of lift this up and use both hands, and then just what you want to do is you want to unclip this right here and try to be careful not to break that one as well. And then you can just take this, leave the wiring hooked up, just set it off to the side. Now here's your switch that you need to replace, and it's got a the wire hookup is right here, and it's fastened in there like that. And you got this clip. There's a clip right here that holds that switch in there, and I'll probably have to set you back down and move that clip out of the way there real quick there, guys. So I'll do that here. Let's see if I got something here to set the stand on for the camera to kind of help hold it in place there a little bit. So try to get this clip out of the way if I can. There it comes. It's coming out of there now. Now I kind of had to move that. Kind of had to move that clip over this way because it was kind of hitting against this right here. So if you move it just right, you can get that. You should be able to get your piece up out of there, see? So now, I'm going to disconnect this wire here real quick, guys. Hopefully you can see that on video. Kind of set that out of the way. And it's got this connector here. You got to kind of shove it down and then pull it apart. Take your wiring. See here. Okay, so there's another thing that I'm going to have to loosen to get that wire up out of there. And it is a 10mm bolt as well. Now we'll see if we can get that up and out of there. There, okay, so that's probably something else you're going to have to move out of the way. This 10mm bolt, just take it out. That way you can lift this up a little bit to get the wire to come up underneath here, so you can get the wire out of there. Your wire connector for your switch. Now we should be able to just pull that on through there, guys. And then there you go, guys. There's the switch. The switch is out. And what I did, guys, I went to a junkyard and picked one up. And before I put this all back together, I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to hook this switch up and make sure that this one here works, because this did come from a junkyard. And they only charged me $10 for it. I did try to find some of these on eBay, and they're quite expensive on eBay. I think there's around between $45 and $50 for one of these switches, new ones. So I'm going to go ahead and try a used one here, and we'll get this back together. And what I'm going to do probably, guys, is go ahead and pause the video here, stop the video here, and then basically it'll be a reversal of what I just did there to get that switch out and put it back in. And hopefully you'll have a good switch, you know. What I'll do next is I'll just basically put this here back together, hook the switch up and make sure the switch works, and then I'll start throwing everything back together. Reversal of how I took it apart there, guys. So hopefully that'll be a decent video for somebody trying to I don't know if there's any other videos out there or not on YouTube. I didn't even look. I just kind of tore into this myself to see what kind of a job it was going to be, and it's not a real difficult job to do. Once you get everything, you know, apart, just like I said, be careful on your plastic clips here. You don't want to break those if you can keep from breaking those. And this one here, you got this one here. Like I said, I think you can get those at maybe AutoZone, Advance Auto, maybe Napa, someplace like that. If you break the clips, you got another plastic clip here that holds this rod in place right here. And like I said, you have to take this one, looked like I had to take this one 10mm bolt that holds the wiper motor. If you got a rear wiper, you might have to take that bolt out so you can get the wiring harness run around here to get your be able to get your switch out of there, guys. So I guess that'll wrap this video up, guys. Hopefully that'll help somebody out there struggling to try to figure out how to take one of these switches out. And like I said, not real difficult to do. Just got to take some stuff apart to get to it. And so if I run into a problem here putting it back together, I'll make another video. But I don't expect to run into any problems unless this switch is bad, because it is a used switch that I got at a junkyard for $10. So I think it'll be fine. Like I said, I'm gonna hook it up and make sure that it works here. And if not, we'll just go ahead and probably order a new $40 or $50 one and put it in there. But I figure this one will probably be all right. And so that's how you do it, guys. Not too difficult. Hopefully that'll help somebody out. And I guess that'll wrap this video up, guys. And we will catch you all on the next video. Like I said, I try to get a video out late Sunday night, early Monday morning, at least one video a week on repair work, a problem that I run into, just like this right here. These switches, in fact, all three of them are bad. That one's bad, and on that Blazer, and then also my 99 Blazer that I got, that if you check out some of my other videos on that 99 Blazer, that I had to redo the front end a little bit to get it back up on the road. The switch on that one went bad too, and we're gonna replace that one too tonight. So it'll be basically the same setup as this one right here. So that'll wrap the video up, guys, and we will catch everybody on the next video.